morning to you all. Good morning. This is the voice of King David Samson. Alright, so in this video tutorial, I'll be replicating this design. Alright, it was designed by Joshua Graphics. You can search him on Facebook. You get on Instagram, Joshua Graphics. So alright, so we'll get started. This will be our guide. Alright, so now we are going to hide this, and then we are going to change the size. The size is going to be 2300 on 3000. You understand? So now we are going to bring in our resources, which is the background first, or should I say, yeah. I just get okay. We're going to come to our downloads, and then sorry, yeah, past it. Yeah, this is it. This guy here. Get this guy here. So this is it, and then we're going to create it like this. Do it like this, and then do it like this. Alright, so we're going to position to make sure it's at the middle. Let's make sure it's at the middle. From here, click on it. Yes. So now we're going to also bring in this guy here, the transparent one. We're going to go to our download. We're going to come here. Yeah, this one. Alright, so this is it, the transparent one. So I'm going to use it. Also, I'm going to put it something like this. I'm going to do something like this. I'm going to put it here. Let's increase it. Let's increase it. Alright, so now what I'll do now, I'm going to click on this one that we bought first. Right, and I'm going to go to my erase color so that I can erase something so that will not bring confusion. You understand? So I'll just erase this one here. Just erase like this, erase like this, and then erase this one out like this. You get? So just erase this one like this. Alright, so now I'll have just this guy here. So I just going to increase it again. Get and just going to increase it, so we have something like this. Let's take it up now. Yeah, we have something like this. Okay, so now I'm going to make sure I'll just pin it. I'll just pin this too. You get? Yeah. So now I'm going to bring in our image. Alright, I'm going to bring in our image. So now the first image is, but before that, let us just save this one. Let's save this work. Let's just save this work, or let us save it as project, so that you can work on it later. Sorry, that's not spelling, but let us just work with that. Let us save it. So now we are going to come here, cancel everything, and then we're going to bring in these resources. We're going to bring in this one. It's going to guide our shape. You understand? Going to guide our shape, which is this guy here. You get this guy here. So now what I'll do is this. I'm going to bring in another shape that's going to fit. Sorry, I'm going to bring in shape. I'm going to reduce the radius like this. Let's see. Alright, I think it's okay to see. Then I'm going to use it like this now. I'm going to bring it down like this. Let's reduce the radius a little. Take it up, and then reduce it a little, bring it down. Yeah, perfect. So we're going to work with this. Alright, we're going to work with this. So this one now we can now delete it. Alright, this guy here, just position it in the middle here, and then let's bring in our other resources, which is the Dunsin Oyekan's image. You understand? These pictures. So now let's work with this first. Let's work with the ones. Okay, let's work with this. Sorry, we're going to click on this shape, then go to texture, and then bring in the image, the picture. So come here, and then download, and then come here, select it, cut it. You're going to bring it like this, and then you're going to say okay. So you're going to still go to the texture, and then you're going to do something like this. No, just click on this, then okay, like this. Is it okay with us? Are we okay with that? You can still edit it though. You can still edit it. You can still do something like this. You can still go back and then go to our downloads, bring the picture, the picture and then do something like this, something like this, something like this. Click it down here like this. Then you have this. And you can just come here and then just do something like this. Just do something like this. Like this. But no, I'm not okay with this. I'm not okay with this. So let's just work with the initial one. Let's just bring it in. You understand? Let's just bring it in. Just bring it in. Okay. Yeah, this one is okay. Perfect. So now we are going to change the background to be transparent. Alright, so this is it. You have something like this. Okay, you have something like this. So now we are going to save with this work like this. Okay, so instead of going to photo room, after saving the image, go to photo room here. Now the background is very transparent, so that when you are bringing it, it is only the image that will come. You understand? So that's why we are doing it that way. So we are going to save the image, and then we are also going to do others like that. So you click on this, go to texture, and then delete this, bring in the other ones. Yeah, download, bring in the other ones, which is this guy. Let's use this guy. Let's use this one. Alright. So now we're going to work with it now. Not like this. Let's edit it. Let's work with it some more. So you're going to do something like this. Okay. It's not really what I want to. You know what I want. So let's check other ones. Sorry. Let's check this. Okay, then let's bring it like this. Alright, so now let's get the texture and then do something like this. So we just increase it like this. No, like this. Okay, so now you're just going to save this. Save. That's how we're going to do other ones. Alright, that's how we're going to do other ones. So the first code for today is 1. Alright, so 1 is the first code for today. You have to take that, note that. You understand? You have to note that. Alright, so I'm going to go to the other ones again. I have to come to my downloads here, and then just going to select this. And this time around, I'm going to do something like this. Okay. Then the texture is going to be here, and do something like this. Alright. Okay, let's look this way. Okay. So now you just have to increase this like this. Okay. And then you're going to save it. You're going to save it like this. Okay. So that is it. You can see that you can actually design like great designs using Pixel Lab. Alright, so now I'm going to just remove this guy, and then I'm going to edit other ones. I'm going to bring in other pictures. You understand? So which other one are we picking? I'm picking this one, right? I think this is the last one here. And then I'm going to do something like this, and then this like this, and then make it here like this. Alright, so you have this, then you go to our texture and then do something like this, or and then do something like this. Yeah, do something like this, and then you save it. Alright, you save it. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment on this design. Alright, and I want you to stay consistent in designing this this design challenge. Right, I want you to stay consistent. You get, so just try and design. You can just choose to design 3 designs every day or 2 designs every day, so you can steam it up. You can steam it up. Alright, so the second code for today's design is 0. You get 0 is the second code. Alright, so I'm just going to, you saved it already, right? Yeah, I think you saved it. Have we? Yes, we saved it. So we've saved it. Yeah, we saved it already. So now I'm just going to come here. I'm just going to come here, come to this last edit. This is our background and everything. And then I'm going to bring in pictures. So I'm going to bring in the image. Let's bring in this one first. So now this design, this one, you're going to learn how you can actually use perspective for your design. You understand? So now having gotten this, you're going to reduce it like this, right? And then you're going to take it to the back. But then before you take it to the back, you're going to like use perspective and then rotate it. This is perspective here. Alright, so you have to do something like this. Like this, bring it down here. Like this. You see it, right? So now you're going to just do this. And I also want to write in this guy here. Guy. Just have to write in it. Just come up and down. And then just write it. Yes, and write it. Alright, so now this guy, now you're going to take it to the back. Alright, so you're going to, sorry. The back of this. Like. Alright, so you have it here. Right, you have it here. So you're going to just turn it off. That's done. We're also going to bring in other resources. Let's bring in this one. Okay, yeah, we're going to put this one. We're going to use this, and then yeah, we're going to place this here. Let's do something like this. Let's go to our perspective, and then let's do like this. Okay. Yeah. So now, yeah. Now after you do, okay, now let's work on this perspective. Okay. Let's go to something like this. You can also go to our 3D rotate and then do something like this. Alright? Yeah, you can just rotate it like this. And then just do this and then this here. Okay. Now let's check what we are doing. Just put on this and then let's bring it to the front. Alright, so now we're going to not now that's done. And next thing we want to do is to bring in another image. This one. Alright, so this one now is going to be up. Yeah. Yes, let's make this one up. Alright, let's put it up. And then the last one, we have more image. We are going to do something like this. Let's take our perspective. Alright, and then we are going to do like this. Do something like this. We have something like this. Yeah, perfect. We are going to reduce it like this. And then put it up here. Let's move this one. Let's move this guy. Let's move this guy. This side, put it up here like this. Let's move it up here. Alright. I'm going to put it here like this, back, and the back, here like this, and then we're going to take it to the back. Alright, so now it's at the back, now. Now let's take it up so that you can see this time. Or just reduce the size and then put it up so that you know what you want to do. Alright, so now you have something like this, and then just bring it down here like this. Just bring it down here like this. Okay? So now you can just do this. done. Let's bring in our 41 PNG of resources. I'm going to go to our download. So the second code for this video is 5. You understand? 5 is the second code for this video. So we have to note that. Okay. Alright, so this is the one, and then let's just put it here. Put it here like this. Alright. And then perfect. And then what we're writing, I'll be typing our text. Before writing our text, right? Before writing our text, we are going to do something. Alright, so this is what we are going to do now. Let's just save this. Let's just save this as image. Alright, let's just save this as image. Okay. And then once we are done, we are going to go to you can even not save it as image because it's actually auto save. You understand? So you can just come here. Let's see. You can just come here and then let us remove everything here. Okay, and then let's type in text. This text will be Dunsin text. Right. Dunsin. Everything is like this. Alright, and then background is going to be transparent one, and then this color will let's keep it as white. So I'll change it down. Alright, so let's just keep that white. So let's work with the font. So let's work with the font. So this font we are going to use this guy here. Alright, this guy here. So I'm just going to save it like this. Like this. When I'm done saving it, I'll just go to my autos. So I recover auto save. I'm going to come to this one here. Go to button from here. I usually stop. This is right. Save your work. You understand? So it save your work. So now I'm just going to bring in the name. Here. I'm going to reduce it like this. Right? So I'm going to come to my perspective here. Perspective. Okay. Perspective, and then we're going to play with our perspective. And so we're going to make it lie on the floor. You understand? So I actually use 3D rotate to make it lie on the floor, but I want you to get this. Like what this is what I'm talking about. You can make this 3D, you can make it lie on the floor like this. Yeah, rotate it like this. Get. But then I want you to work on perspective. Now, just try to keep it around. Okay, let's shift. yeah, this one, let's see now. I want to do something. Let's see. I want it to be a situation whereby it will actually, live on, yeah. Yeah, perfect. Okay. So yeah, this is it. Alright, so this is Dunsin now. I want to see what we do for. I want something bright. I want something bright. Yeah, perfect. Yes. So now let's do something. Let's increase the size. And then let's see how we can rotate it. Now, so you can just actually rotate it like this. Okay, yeah, like this. Okay. Yes. Dunsin. Alright, Dunsin. So now I'm going to bring in what else? Okay, yeah, I'm going to bring in this ribbon and everything. Okay. Sorry. Oh, sorry. Let's go to our download pack. Now see that Visual Lab is not actually working. It depends on how you use it. You understand what you can use Visual Lab to do. So Visual Lab is a very powerful design tool that you can use. You understand? So this one here now, I'm just going to rotate it like this. Right? I'm going to rotate it like this. And I'm going to increase it. And when I increase it like this, I'm going to take it to the back. Okay. So I'm going to take it to the back like this. And then alright, so just do something like this. And then let's see how you can see rotate it. So rotate it. Okay. Yes. Then let's push it to the left. So, let's do something like this. Okay. Let's go. Alright, so that is done. Let's copy it. I think we should skip right through it here. Let's see. Yeah. Let's copy it. And then let's do something. Let's see. Alright, so this time around, you just got to use this color. Okay. Yeah, something like this. Right here now, I can just sorry. Right here now, I can just alright. So that's perfect. Alright, so now next thing I want to do is bring it down. Down here. Next thing I want to do is to bring in that up stuff. So let me just bring it in so you see it. Okay. This is this guy here. This guy here. So you're just going to pop it like this. And then select it. Increase it like this. I'm going to put it up here. And I'm going to send it back. Yes. Let's go send it back. Let's do this. Yes. Alright. Yes. Send it back. Send it back. next you want to bring in is ego. We are going to bring in our ego. Alright, so we're going to bring in our ego. Alright, so the fourth code, yeah, the fourth code, right? Alright, so we are going to bring in our ego. Okay, we're going to bring in our ego. So this is the ego. So this ego now, let's just copy it, or instead let's just go to this erase color and then fill everything. Alright, and then erase this part like this, erase this part like this. Okay, you don't want this one, so you just erase them. Okay, just erase this. Alright, so you're going to type in text Oyekan. And I'm going to change the color or the font to something else. So I think let's use this font. Alright, so I'm going to just put it here. You can like this. Yeah. Or let's make it here like this. Okay. I think we should use a different color instead of white, maybe this. Okay, so thank you very much for watching. Yeah, thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Okay, so here you can now type in courtesy or designed by. Don't forget, I see that you should post the day design before your actual design. I used to see it is not your design. You have to acknowledge the designer. You understand? So you have to acknowledge the designer. So you have to design this. I can just change the color to something. Alright. So I just do it like this. And then I just change the code. And then I can change the stroke. I just want it to be the same. I just change the stroke to white. Alright, so when I'm putting this, I want to these guys this one here. I want to use color to use this one like yeah, this one here like this. Yes. That's all. So now what I want to do next is let's type in on the paper. Money. 3D and then rotate it. That's okay. So once you're done, you just save your work. You can just actually get the size of this. I don't like the letters. And then maybe line spacing and then yeah. Then the middle. So that's how you design this flyer using Pixel Lab, alright? Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment and share. Okay, and I do say that you should always post the design, design, because you're not the designer. It's Joshua graphic that the designer, so do it to acknowledge him. And you should post the 14 design before you actually post your own design. You understand? So you're going to save as image and then you're done. Thank you so much for watching and do have a wonderful day.